What is up, everybody? It's Hein here, and today I want to show you the fastest way to turn your long-form videos into a stack of ready-to-post clips without spending hours manually trimming. Whether you are juggling podcast episodes, live stream archives, or lengthy interviews, this workflow is a complete game changer for your content strategy. The secret sauce here is Vizard, a tool that analyzes your entire video file to pull out high-potential highlights across the whole timeline, saving you from the tedious clip-by-clip grind. To demo this, I'm using a 40-minute episode from my own podcast. But this same method works for anything from 2-hour deep dives to raw, unedited streams. Simply upload your long file into the Vizard dashboard, and once it finishes processing, the AI immediately starts identifying moments that are statistically likely to perform. You'll see the AI automatically tagging clips by their specific vibe, like hot take, funny moment, or key insight, which makes filtering through the content incredibly simple. I personally set my clip duration between 15 and 60 seconds, as that is the absolute sweet spot for getting engagement on platforms like Reels and TikTok. While there are built-in presets that take the guesswork out of it, you can also adjust the sensitivity settings to either find only the strongest clips or pull more volume to test your audience. Now, no AI is perfect, so you might occasionally find a clip that chops mid-sentence, but fixing that is super easy with the lightweight built-in editor. Just click the clip to nudge your in and out points, or add a quick sticker to make it pop, and you are ready to roll in just a few seconds. Pro tip: if you are working with audio that has a lot of background noise, bump up that audio normalization so the speech is crisp, clear, and easy to hear. One feature I absolutely love is the auto scheduler, which is essential if you want to maintain a consistent posting frequency without manually uploading every single day. You can queue up your chosen clips for the whole week, review them, or just let Vizard run on autopilot so you can focus on making more content instead of grinding on admin work. And let's talk about captions, because Vizard gives you multiple styles and automatic transcription that you can edit inline if the AI happens to miss a specific name. You can choose to burn these captions directly into the video for immediate sharing, or export them as separate SRT files for platforms that prefer native caption support. There is also a really clean content calendar inside the app that lets you visualize exactly what is going live and when, making it easy to drag and drop your schedule around. This centralized approach saves me from juggling 5 different apps, and it helps me plan a drip feed of content rather than dumping everything at once. Compared to other suites, Vizard sits in a really sweet middle ground, offering smart auto editing without being overly complicated or insanely expensive. It is perfect for the creator who doesn't have the budget for a full-time editor but needs more power than the clunky free tools on the market. Now, let's talk about workflow tweaks. When reviewing auto clips, always scan for context, and don't be afraid to expand your in point by a second or two to let the joke land. Also, try using the mood filters. If you select insightful, it will bias the AI to find explanation-heavy moments, whereas punchy will surface those quick, viral one-liners. I also suggest batch applying your caption style so your brand looks consistent across every single video you post to your channel. Always remember to name your exported clips with the guest name and a descriptor so you can find them later when you need to re-upload or reference them. I personally keep 2 different exports, one for vertical platforms like TikTok and one for YouTube Shorts, just to make sure the framing is perfect for both. The collaboration tools are another huge win, allowing you to invite editors or social managers into the project to assign clips and get that final polish without the email back and forth. If you are tired of hunting for gold in hour-long footage, Vizard gets you 95% of the way there automatically, and the rest is just simple, quick adjustments. It keeps your output steady without burning you out, and frankly, for day-to-day repurposing, it is the most efficient option I have found. If you're testing tools, watch out for the ones that charge per export or lock basic features behind massive paywalls, because Vizard's all-in-one approach really avoids those headaches. Alright, That is the quick run through on how to scale your content without losing your mind, and I hope this helps you streamline your own production process. If you want a follow-up video on my specific caption presets or podcast settings, drop a comment below. And don't forget to share your best Vizard tips so we can all level up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.